Welcome to the Furno training video on the iNX Integrated Patient Transport and Loading System. The iNX is designed to help reduce the risk of injury to medical service personnel by eliminating or minimizing the amount of lifting required during raising, lowering, or loading into or unloading from an ambulance. Before using the iNX, read and understand the user's manual. A minimum of 2 trained operators must work together and maintain control of the iNX at all times, communicate with each other, and use coordinated movements to operate the iNX. Only those trained on emergency medical service equipment, emergency patient handling procedures, and having the physical ability to assist a patient should use the iNX. It's also recommended to practice with the iNX before use with a patient. To check the charge of the iNX battery, power on the iNX and look at the charger status icon on the lower right corner of the display. The battery icon represents the charge remaining in the battery. A lightning bolt indicates charging is in progress. Green means the battery is fully charged. Yellow means a moderate charge remains. And red indicates a low charge. If the icon is flashing between an empty battery outline and a full red battery, the charge is depleted. Patient weight and temperature affect the amount of use available from each battery charge. The iNX battery ships with a 30% charge. It's a 36-volt DC lithium-ion battery. It does not hold a memory and should be charged immediately upon receipt until it has a full charge. To charge the battery, plug the supplied charger into a live outlet. Slide the battery connector into the battery port until the contacts are fully seated. While charging, a solid red light will appear. When the battery is fully charged, the light will turn green. The battery may also be charged using an in-vehicle integrated charging system, or ICS. When connected to the ICS, powered operation to the cot is disabled. If not on a shoreline, the vehicle ignition, inverter, or outlet switch may need to be turned on to supply electrical power to the ICS. See the ICS or Fastening System User's Manual for details. To attach the battery to the iNX, verify the power switch is in the off position. Raise the shock frame and remove the battery cover. Angle and slide the battery into the cradle, then press down to secure the battery in the cradle. Now, connect the battery cable plug to the battery port. Replace the battery cover and lower the shock frame. To remove the battery, lift the shock frame and remove the battery cover. Grasp the battery cable plug and disconnect the cable from the battery port by pulling on the connector. Use the battery carry handle to lift the battery up and away from the cradle and replace the battery cover. The power switch is located on the operator's right side of the display. Keep the switch in the on position for all iNX operations. After 10 minutes of non-use, the iNX will enter a sleep mode to conserve power. To awaken the iNX, simply press the battery icon on the display. If the iNX is secured in a fastening system with a powered ICS, the power can be left on. If the iNX will not be used for more than 30 minutes, turn the power switch off to conserve battery power.